Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how Facebook comes up with those people you may know suggestions? If you don't, today we're going to break it down to you and show you exactly where the suggestions come from. So without any delay, let's just dive into the video. So first, let's talk about what people you may know is. It's a feature on Facebook that suggests new friends based on certain connections and data points. But how does Facebook decide who recommended it? So let's find out. So there are different high key factors that may be the reason why we are getting the people you may know on Facebook. So one of them is mutual friends. So what you're gonna do is head over to your friends account. When we go to friends account, we find different people there. So when we go to their account, you will be finding different people. But when we search for people as well, we will be finding the most common factor, which is mutual friends. And if you and someone else share a lot of mutual friends, Facebook assumes you might know each other. So that may be the reason you get suggestions on your people you may know here, right here under your friends. Other than that, there may be contact uploads. So if you have uploaded any kind of phone contacts, like if you have linked your contacts with your Facebook, it may suggest people who are in your contact list, even if you haven't added them yet. So if you go to the friend section and if you have added contacts on your Facebook will start suggesting people who are in your contact, even if you haven't added them yet. The next thing is if you're in the same Facebook group or follow a similar process. So when you head over to your profile and click on any people's profile, you go over and see their information, and if they have followed similar kind of Facebook group that you also follow, that may be the reason why Facebook might think that you have something in common and they start suggesting these people to your account as well. And other than that, Facebook also uses your location data. If you have been in the same area as someone frequently, you might see them as suggested. Other than that, if you have added workplace or school on your profile. So if you have added your profile, just head over to your profile. And if you have added, your details here under your bio, if you have added your school or your working organization information here right below, when people search for those kind of accounts, they may be suggested in your account. That may be the reason why, Facebook have been suggesting others who have been added the same info. So that may be one of the reasons why. So that's how you can look for a quick look at where those people you may know suggestions come from. It's a mix of mutual connections, shared activities, and sometimes even a little location magic. And if you have seen a suggestion that has surprised you, then you may just let us know in the comments. And also don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. And also hit the bell icon for more tech breakdowns just like this one.